Hey everyone, let's dive straight into the political storm brewing in Zimbabwe. The Crisis in Zimbabwe Coalition, or CIZC, has put the ruling ZANU-PF party on blast. Why? Because they're trying to stretch President Emerson Mnangagwa's tenure beyond the allowed 2 terms? Yep, you heard that right, beyond the constitutionally mandated limit. CCC calls it what it is, a blatant power grab. Think about it. The Constitution is there to prevent anyone from clinging to power indefinitely, ensuring a peaceful transfer of power. But ZANU-PF seems to have other plans. CIZC isn't taking this lightly. They're rallying ordinary Zimbabweans to resist and calling on regional bodies like the SADC and the African Union to keep a close watch. Imagine this: the coalition is warning that any undemocratic moves should be met with strong actions, including targeted sanctions. They're committed to democratic change and promise to use every legal and peaceful method in their arsenal to stop this power play. For CZC, upholding the Constitution is crucial for Zimbabwe's future and for ensuring free and fair elections. Now, let's talk about the internal politics of ZANU-PF. Mnangagwa's co-deputy president, Constantino Chiwenga, had big dreams of his own, becoming president. But Mnangagwa's decision to seek a 3rd term has put those ambitions on ice. This wasn't part of the plan they made during the 2017 military coup. Mnangagwa was supposed to serve 2 terms and then pass the baton to Chiwenga. But here we are. At the 2022 ZANU-PF Congress, Mnangagwa's strategic moves secured his candidacy for the 2023 elections, sidelining Chiwenga. Despite facing health challenges and losing key allies, Chiwenga's faction remains hopeful for a comeback in the 2028 elections. Meanwhile, Mnangagwa's campaign for a 3rd term is picking up steam. The Zimbabwe Democracy Institute found that the ruling party has been recalling opposition MPs to weaken their influence in parliament. This is all part of a larger strategy to consolidate power and diminish opposition. The CIZC isn't backing down. They see the attempts to extend Mnangagwa's rule as a direct threat to democracy and fair elections. They're mobilizing citizens and raising awareness about the importance of upholding the Constitution. They're also calling for regional and international actors to step in and hold the Zimbabwean government accountable. Targeted sanctions and pressure are seen as necessary to stop any further erosion of democratic norms. CZC is resolute in their commitment to a democratic Zimbabwe. They believe that adherence to the rule of law, respect for human rights, and free and fair elections are the keys to a brighter future for the country. And they're not about to let these principles be undermined without a fight. That's the current state of play in Zimbabwe, folks, a political chess game with high stakes. Stay tuned, keep informed, and let's see how this unfolds. Thanks for watching. See you next time.